Meaning of density.
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 Density. Density is a physical property that describes the amount of mass in a given volume of a substance. It is calculated by dividing the mass of the substance by its volume. Density can be used to identify substances and determine their purity. High-density substances are typically heavier and take up less space, while low-density substances are lighter and take up more space. Density is also important in various scientific fields, such as chemistry, physics, and geology. Overall, density is a fundamental concept that helps us understand and describe the physical world around us.